Good morning, guys. It is 10:30 and I've already spent the morning since about 8 o'clock, so I spent about 2 hours cleaning and packing upstairs, and now I'm about to do the same downstairs. The house has just been slowly getting more messy again. It's just constantly trying to keep on top of it. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing this morning. So now I'm down in the kitchen and it's literally shameful how bad the kitchen is. I don't want to show you guys. Yeah, it's really bad. So that's what my job is for now, is to sort out the kitchen. And it is horribly rainy out. It's pouring down out there. You can't really see how bad it is. Yeah, so I have lots of cleaning to do. I'm going to show you guys because, you know, being real and all. So that's one side of the kitchen, that's the better side. And then you come around here and there's dishes all piled up here. Ton of laundry to do. It's so bad. So that's what I'm going to do now, is sort out the kitchen. So I might as well show you a before and after, so you can see how clean I get it, because that's satisfying. That's the best thing about cleaning, is the end result. So gonna do that. Then I'm going to sit down and enjoy a coffee because I've been dying for one all morning already. And I'm just going to sit down and relax for a minute. Although I guarantee you, as soon as I go to sit down and relax, Robin and Amber are going to kick off. But they've been very good so far, so that even means even more so they're going to kick off. So, yeah, the reason the house has gone so messy is because Robin and Amber, the last couple of days, have been needing a lot of attention. And that's how I haven't vlogged the last 2 days. So I'm hoping to record, like later on today, I'm hoping to record 2 videos to put up as my 2 Vlogmas days instead, because otherwise I totally failed a Vlogmas. I've already failed a Vlogmas, but then there's like fail and then there's just ultimate fail. Not going out today. There's no way we're going out today. I'm not even going to try and pretend like we're going out today. I don't think, it's so bad, I don't even want to walk to the indoor place. Like, it's really, really miserable. So I think it's going to be a day inside. I might get out the paints after I've tidied. There's going to be a lot of TV though. But what you gonna do? Can't wait to learn to drive. That's the thing, I don't drive, by the way. Brett just messaged me saying what a crappy day. It really is a crappy day. But I'm not sure if he's talking about work or not. I don't know whether he's talking about the weather or work. Probably work. Anyway, yep, so I'm gonna stop rambling and I'll talk to you guys in the next clip. And there goes my alarm that says stop cleaning, mummy. Hey? Oh, did you do a fart? Did she do a fart?
Did a fart.
Yeah, she did a fart. Oh, okay, baby. Okay. Oh. It's okay, I'm not crying. Yeah. I think she's hungry. Yeah?
She's hungry.
Yeah. So I'm not finished, but I'll just quickly show you the kitchen as an after. So I still have laundry to do, I need to hoover, etc. And there's no fixing that because those are the boxes that we're packing up. Standing beside the dryer because it's bloody freezing. I put the heating on, but it's cold. What do you? Where's red? Red's all gone. And Mummy knows where red is.
Mommy red.
Yeah.
Mommy red. Mommy red.
This is red. Hi guys. So Robin's gone upstairs for her nap now. She's still awake at the minute, but she'll settle down soon, I think. So I'm just go to sleep, Robin. Just having my coffee. And then I'm going to do lots of clothes folding. I have a big pile there to sort through. And then there's more washing going on. Just have a ton of laundry to do today, so I'm going to try and get as much of it as I can done today because we're not going out and it's a miserable day. I might as well get all the cleaning and sorting I can get done, especially because Amber's sleeping peacefully now and Robin's been quite well behaved today, so I might as well make the most of it while I can, because tomorrow could be like yesterday. Making lunch. What we got? Sweet potatoes, sweet potatoes.
Sweet potatoes.
Ooh. Stupid. Stupid, stupid. Okay, so I'm gonna give them another 20 minutes in the oven, the sweet potatoes, and then I'm gonna go wake Robin and we're gonna have our lunch, which is tuna and sweet potato. Hey, sweetie. Come on, time to wake up. Did you have a nice sleep? Yeah? That's good. Wanna get your trousers on?
Yeah.
I'll go get you some trousers. There we go. You ready to go downstairs?
No.
What happened to your head?
No.
No. You ready to go down?
No.
No, you want to stay up here? Or are you just saying no for saying no's sake? Huh? Don't forget Teddy. Good girl. Right. Should we go downstairs? So she's just saying no for the sake of saying no. What's wrong? Where's Teddy? Go get Teddy. Oh, sorry, sweetie. Sorry, baby. You okay? Oh. Mwah. Come on. Are you gonna get Teddy? No? Wow, this is really flattering lighting, isn't it? Come in. Come on. Who's that? Can you see yourself? Come on. You want me to take Teddy? No. Good girl. No. Yummy, yummy. Hey guys, so it's been a few hours. I've literally just had Robin shouting at me because she wanted to go to the park. I think she looked outside and then she realized it was dark out and she was like, uh-oh, I went into panic mode and realized that she wasn't going to the park today. And I've just been going through the under the stairs cupboard that we have, that we've got all of their toys in, mainly Robin's toys. So Amber's having her sort of crying and on and off feeding stage at the moment. She has that moment, those moments like every day. So this is her time today that she's doing that. And Robin was getting really upset, but now I've given her some colours, and so she's colouring. I'll show you now, hold on. Now she's colouring. Excuse the mess, but as you know, I've just been trying to pack away everything, so I've pulled out everything from that storage cupboard there, and this is what we're left with, and I just need to clean that up then. But at least I've gotten somewhere with some packing, and I'm hoping that I can put even like 1 or 2 of the boxes from the table into the understairs cupboard, hopefully. It may not happen, but here's hoping. So I think I've come up with an idea for my thank you for the 100 subscribers thing. So I'm not going to say anything because in case it doesn't happen, but I'm kind of excited about it. It's like sort of creative, and I don't know if, I'm sure it's probably been done before, but like I thought of it by myself, you know, and I just feel excited by it. I feel like it's going to make for an interesting video.
Glasses. Really?
You gonna say bye-bye to Daddy?
Bye-bye, Daddy. Bye. This is. There is a Daddy.
Now, you press that button there. Good girl. Well done.
Okay.
All gone.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye, Daddy. He's going to be home soon. Good girl. Well done. Putting it away. Good job, sweetie. It's never easy to walk away. Let it go. Woo! Turn around. Woo!
Oh,
hey!
Yes, I know it's a tip.
You've done a robin bum.
Huh?
You've done a robin bum.
Yeah, but come have a look and see why there's a robin bum in there.
Ah, you've done a robin bum.
Yeah.
Ah!
And then I got interrupted, that's why it's not finished, and that's why it's still a mess.
Oh, I didn't think you did it.
Huh? You're a little minx. She literally, I put the soother in her mouth and she's literally like sucking on it for a second, and she goes and spits it out and then smiles. Like, I know she's not smiling on purpose, but it just looked.
Noise. Listen to that.
She's no good at
Hey. Ah, poor noise. It's okay, it's okay.
Ow!
Ow! Oh, careful with the whips.
You monkey.
Good night.